Welcome to our geometry series. Today, we are going to explore the right cylinder, focusing specifically on why it's called right and understanding the relationship between its axis and its bases. First, let's define what a cylinder is. A cylinder is a three-dimensional solid that consists of two identical, circular bases located at the top and bottom. These bases are parallel to each other and are connected by a curved surface. Now, what makes a cylinder a right cylinder? The key is the axis. The axis is the line connecting the centers of the two bases. In a right cylinder, this axis is perpendicular to the bases, creating a perfect 90-degree angle. It stands straight up. Let's look at the parts. We have the radius, represented by r, which is the distance from the center to the edge of the base. We have the height, h, which is the distance between the bases, and we have the axis connecting the centers. To understand this better, compare it to an oblique cylinder. A right cylinder stands straight, with its axis at 90 degrees. An oblique cylinder leans over, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and its axis is not perpendicular to the base. If we were to cut a right cylinder open and lay it flat, we would see its net. It consists of two circles for the bases and one large rectangle for the curved surface. The width of this rectangle matches the circumference of the circle. To find the lateral surface area, which is just the area of the curved side, we calculate the area of that rectangle. The formula is 2 times pi times the radius times the height. For the total surface area, we simply add the area of the two circular bases to the lateral area. So, the formula becomes 2 times pi times r times h, plus 2 times pi times r squared. Finally, the volume measures the space inside. You can imagine this as stacking layers of the base circle up to the height of the cylinder. The formula is the area of the base times the height, or pi times r squared times h. In summary, a right cylinder has an axis perpendicular to its bases. Remember the formulas. Lateral area is 2 pi rh, total area adds the two bases, and volume is pi r squared h.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.